Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I want to do something I haven't done in a while, and that's a side by side. And it's not to see which one is better than the other, because I like both of them. I did a review recently on Miss Jessie's Feather Soft Curls and I loved it. And if you know about Miss Jessie's products, you know that there are a lot of products out there for curly hair. There's so many. I used to always do I used to do side by sides, because I guess one wants to know which Miss Jessie should I choose. It depends on your own hair, I guess, right? How your texture is. I have dry, coarse, curly hair, 3B maybe. I think my hair was more coarse as I was younger, but yes, having babies and it just your hormones, everything changes over time. But I think it's just that I've learned how to style my hair. The products that are out nowadays are just so much better that I don't know that my hair really did change, or did just things get better out there for me to make my hair look better. I think that's what it is. So I don't know where I was going with all that. I'm gonna do one side of Feather Soft. We're gonna do the other side Pillow Soft. Pillow, feather, I mean, really, it's almost the same thing. I should have enough in here. This is what I do. If I like a product, I will use it and it'll be at the end, and I'll save it for just in case. And I have all these just in cases, and then I never use them, so I'm gonna use it. I think I already need my hair to be trimmed. Definitely could do a color. Oh wait, I have to go middle, right? Don't look at the grays. I'm doing it tomorrow. Oh God. All right, so we'll do this side Feather Soft, just because that's where I happen to put them down. I remember this does have a powdery smell. Some of them are just very powdery in the smell, a bit too much. But this is more light, so it's not overpowering. And I don't remember, and I guess I'll find out shortly, how the Pillow Soft Curl smells. This is so bad. I can't believe I'm even doing a video like this. But you know what? I'll just show you what to do when you have days like this, because I'm gonna use my touch-up spray after, and you're never gonna know that I have gray hair. Okay, product is in. This side is the Pillow Soft. Has more of a yellowy color to it. Ooh, yeah. See, that's the powdery one. I took a big whiff of that. That's why I shouldn't have done that. It smells nice, but it's like one of those, like, it's a bit too much. I remember liking the smell so much, but then, like, it was, like I said, it's just, this is definitely a more stronger smell, for sure. But similar. They're both similar smells. The feather is just way lighter. I definitely do need to get my hair trimmed again, because it doesn't have that, like, style that I had when I got my last cut, which I really like. Going in. Okay guys, I think that I have pretty much the exact same results on both sides. Literally, I think they both look the same. Do you? They both feel the same, 100%. Let's get rid of these grays first. I wish I had a darker, what is this? This is dark blonde. I don't know why I got that. And just like that, just like that, they're gone. I'm telling you, if I put my hair in a ponytail, because all the grays are under it, I spray and it's gone. I have a lot going on behind me, I'm sorry. Wow, they both look the same. They really do. Do we do like an all-day test to see which one lasts longer? I guess I could do that, like not your usual all-day vlog, but maybe just a check-in at the end, because literally, like, I wonder why Miss Jessie needs all these products, because I feel like, are they all just the same with a little tweak here and there? There's so many. There are so many. And they're all pretty good. Obviously, some are much different than others, but like these two are so similar. The Pillow Soft Curl says it's the best darn soft styling lotion. The Feather Soft Curl says it's the best darn feather soft styler, period. So, I mean, they pretty much have the same idea. They do give you both the same result. They are literally very similar, except definitely the Pillow Soft Curls, if you can't handle a strong scent, then you're gonna like this one better, because I think that's my winner, is this one, only for the scent. It's just, it's too strong on the Pillow Soft. And this, oh yeah, you don't even, I don't smell anything here, but clean, it smells clean. Here, it's like, it's powerful. Yeah, I don't, I mean, I like the smell, but I don't want to smell it all day. I'm not going to lie. And I'm going to now, which is okay. But both amazing products. They're both great products. Love Miss Jessie's line. Love them. Can't go wrong. I don't think I had a Miss Jessie's that didn't work, actually, on my hair. But some do work better than others. And this is really good. Really, really good. Okay, guys, I'll do a final check-in and see which one, how they look before the end of the night. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, this is a check-in. Joe, I have to check in for 2 videos.
Okay.
A hair video. Yes, please. A hair video of comparison. And I asked Joe, they both look the same, but I said, which side do you like the smell of better? And he agreed on this side because this one is chemically. I believe that's what your words.
Yeah.
I can still smell it, and it's been bothering me all day, I'm not gonna lie. But remember again that I have that scent thing that happened to me. I don't understand. My favorite perfume smells gross to me right now, so it's that same scent. So it's not that it's bad, most people probably like it, it's just, it is strong. Whereas this is not, and I don't know. But they both do the same thing for your hair. Again, my hair is dry and coarse. I'll see you later, guys. Good night.